This video is going to show you how you can add a series of YouTube videos to your course. We suggest that instead of putting the videos individually onto your home page of your course, that we put them on a page in Moodle so that when you go into the course, if you have a lot of videos on the main page of your course, it takes a little bit longer to load the course, but if you put it into a page, when you click on the page, then the videos will come up and it's much more efficient. So what you would do is you would turn editing on, and then you would go to the section that you want to put it in. You would click on add an activity or resource. You're going to pick a page. You're going to add it. Give the name of the video. I'm going to put just 3 videos to watch. And what you do is you go down into the page content area. You go over to where you have the links to the videos. Okay, so you would grab the first video link that you have. You would click on the link in here. You would paste the video. You hit create link. You click after it. You hit enter. You go back over. You grab your second video, copy it into memory, click on link, paste it in here, hit create link, click after it, hit enter, go back over to your list, grab the link, click in here, hit link, paste, and then save and return to course. And now what will happen, you'll see that section where I have the 3 videos to watch. When you click on it, it's going to open in another box, and the 3 videos are here for you to watch, and it's that easy. So that's how you would add multiple videos onto a page and put it in Moodle.